Hello, students. Today, we're diving into 7 science-backed study methods to learn smarter, not harder. Let's explore proven techniques with interactive animations to boost your grades. Active recall, it's about pulling info from your memory. Test yourself with quizzes. See how active recall strengthens your brain power with this animation. Spaced repetition helps you remember over time. Review at intervals, like with flashcards. Watch the animation on memory strengthening through timed reviews. Interleaving means mixing subjects in one session. Try switching topics while studying. The animation illustrates mixing topics boosts learning. Elaboration is connecting new to old knowledge. Explain concepts in your words. Make connections. Check how to use diagrams, dual coding words and images together. Use mind maps and visuals to help your notes. C. Visualizing aids recall. The Feynman technique. Teach others to truly learn. Simplify concepts. Find gaps. See complex ideas broken down simply.